This is a plate bending pliers. These are used during open reduction internal fixation to bend the plate to conform to the contour of the bone in which it is being implanted. This is Murphy Lane bone skid. It is used for removing femoral head from the joint during the total hip arthroplasty. The size of the femoral head and the acetabulum will determine which end of the bone skid is used. This is a Townley caliper. It is a slide ruler that measures in millimeters and inches between the tips. It is used for measuring structures and distances, commonly used for measuring the thickness of patella before cutting the undersurface during a total knee arthroplasty. This is bone file. It is used for smoothing rough edges or surfaces of large bones. This should always be available during total joint procedures to smooth bone surfaces. This is Chandler retractor. It is used for retracting bone and tissue. This instrument is used to hold soft tissue away from the bone, like a lever, when a surgeon is performing fixation. This is capsule retractor. The 2 or 3 prong retractor are designed to be placed medially along the scapular neck to retract the anterior capsule and labrum. The single prong retractor is commonly used when retracting on the inferior rim of glenoid. This is sharp Homan retractor. It is used for retracting a large area of tissue, usually close to the bone. The prong of the Homan retractor is slid behind and around the bone for leverage when retracting tissues. There is no pulling needed when holding this retractor. After it is placed, simply hold the handle down or back. This is Cushing rongeur. It is used for removing pieces of bone and the soft tissue around the bone. Always have a moistened sponge ready when handling the rongeur. As the surgeon works to remove tissue and bone, the rongeur has to be cleaned between uses. While focusing on the wound, the surgeon will point the tip of the rongeur towards the surgical technologist. Using a moistened sponge, the surgical technologist will clean the tissue off the jaws. This is diamond pin cutter. It is used for cutting wire or small pins, such as Kirschner wires or stamen pins. Double action jaws allows for more power when cutting. Inspect for sharpness and smooth action of jaw and cutting surfaces. This is utility scissors. These are used to cut bandages, casting material, clothing, and other non-sterile items. These scissors should never be used for cutting tissues or sutures. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and I wish you great success.